This will be an unboxing of the S20 OnlyFans edition. No, I'm just playing. This will be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G. Comes in this white box. I did get the red colorway, hence the red S20 lettering here on the box. And one interesting thing about the box is, if I can get the light to hit it, see all that? Has icons on the box itself, which I think is a fun little touch on this phone. Look at that. Happy face, and then you got a mountain kind of icon there, moon, right? Then down here you got a, what's it, a cat right there. What is this, like a vibration kind of icon? A dog, etc. So, nice little touch on the box, pretty cool. All right, S20, as you can see, S20 FE 5G, unlocked by Samsung. Screenshot that if you want to read it. And that's pretty much it. Now I got a pretty good deal on this from Best Buy. Samsung has this for $6.99 USD. Best Buy has it for $5.99. So I'll take that. Got a couple pieces of tape here. So we'll make a slit. We'll open the box and we'll have a look. Ho 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 ho, look at that. You can see the red right there. Ooh, this is gonna be sick. Check that out. Fingerprint scanner in display. I think this is the optical type, not the sound waves. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful. I think I got lucky with the red one too on Best Buy. This was listing as sold out, but the other colors were available, the lavender, the blue, etc. But the red one was sold out, so I kept, doing the refresh. And then I guess I got lucky, it became available, jumped on it, and I got it. And what is this? Just nothing. And then here you have your fast charging brick, of course. Now, is this super fast charging or just their old school fast charge? This one says adaptive fast charging. So this is not their new supercharge. What is this, like 15 watts or whatever? Here, I'm gonna go like this. Screenshot that if you want. Put that to the side. And what else do we get? This has nothing. And then this is your USB cable. USB-C to C, I think, which I won't even touch. And I think that's it. Now, I'm willing to bet that there's stuff underneath here. Yup. What is this? Just a piece of paper. And look at that. Samsung, you like to hide stuff. What's in here? SIM ejection tool. And, okay, don't know how to open that. Go this way on the other end. And in here is just your pamphlets and stuff. Yeah, see Samsung account and whatever this stuff is. What is this? S20 FE 5G. Here, I'm gonna go like this. Screenshot that if you wanna read it. And all this other stuff. Blah, 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 blah. Quick reference guide. You know the deal. This is what we came to see. Loving this color, man. Look at that. And of course, so satisfying. Put that to the side and nothing in the front. Now, does this have a pre-installed screen protector? It does. Little tab right there so you can see. Woo! Love that. Put the plastic to the side. And here we go. Very glad I got the red color. Nice. I'm gonna turn this on. Galaxy S20 FE 5G, powered by Android. Now what is this? I think this is a 6.5-inch display, right? 1080p res. It does have the fast refresh, right? 120, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong. Plastic back. Do you have 3 cameras? Punch hole camera right there for the FFC. All right, let's go. And then I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like that. Next. Now I hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna jack this down a little bit. There you go, that should be a little bit better. And then I'm gonna choose my Wi-Fi. Gonna enter my password. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. So the specs here, Snapdragon 865 Plus. All right, so what we have here is a 6.5 inch display, 1080 by 2400 resolution, 407 ppi density. Now the glass on here is the older Gorilla Glass 3. It has always on display, and it does have the 120 Hz refresh rate, Android 10 with One UI 2.5, 128 gig storage, 6 gigs of RAM. There you go. It does have stereo speakers. So not a bad deal for $599 at Best Buy. Save a little bit of money, but you still get pretty much the same experience. Let's test out the fingerprint scanner. We'll continue. Now this one is, just do one of these on a pattern. Do that again. Now this one is an optical fingerprint, so it's not the sound waves. So check that out, and let's do this. Yes, you can see it's a bright white light that they use. I think OnePlus is like green, right? So I'm just putting my fingerprint. It's not too bad. There you go, fingerprint added. Nice and easy. Sign into the Samsung account. We're gonna do that later. I just wanna get into the phone. All done. Nice. Phone making noises, which is good. Love the wallpaper, matches the phone very nicely in this beautiful red. And we are in. Go to settings right now, and I'm gonna go to display. That's how you get the dark mode, but I'll leave it light. Kind of like the way this looks. Turn that off, and then motion smoothness. Now out of the box, it's at 120, but you can set it to standard if you want. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but that's how you change it. Screen mode is vivid, so you can mess around with the color temperature of your display. If you want to, that's how you do it. I'm gonna go back, and then screen timeout, I like this to be at 5 minutes. And another thing I like to do is to change the back button to the left side, you go to navigation bar, and then that's how you change it. Or you can go swipe gestures, choose that. If you want to take away the gesture hints, you just unclick that, and that disappears. But since I'm old school, actually, I'm gonna stick with the buttons. That's what I like. This is a 128 gig model, and 25 is used up. So that's about a little over 100 gigs left. Very nice. I go back. I'm gonna go to About Phone. This does have Android 10 out of the box, as you can see. Android 10 with One UI 2.5. You can mess around with this if you want. Make a little cue right there. Very nice. Let's go ahead real quick. Let's check out the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and just play with this real fast. Take a picture of whatever's in front of me. Take a shot of this. Take a shot of that. Take more pictures. Let's go. So this is a real quick video test of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. So let me know if you hear that aircraft in the background. So it's about, I'd say, late afternoon here. So it's still daylight, but the sun's gonna come down in, I don't know, maybe about half an hour or so. Zoom in on that flower right there and out. Then I'm gonna zoom in again. Let me know if the autofocus speeds. I'm gonna do the same thing here and out. In. Look at that bokeh. That looks good. Alright, I'm gonna walk around. Tesla right there, right in the background. So again, this is the S20 FE, filming in 4K 30 frames per second. Just a quick little video sample here. Let me know what you think. Looks pretty good in the viewfinder, but on YouTube, let me know in the comments. Can you hear my voice? Etc. This is just all handheld, no fancy gimbal or anything like that. We'll go over here, have a look at this plant. More plants. More plants down there. Let's see, I'm going to zoom in this rose. Again, check out the autofocus and the check out that bokeh though. Nice. Out and right in again. Pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know of the picture and video quality in the comments down below. And then finally, let's go ahead and compare the OnlyFans edition here of the S20 to the regular S20. So let's have a look. Pretty much they look the same. Check out the camera modules when I get in here. Now I do like how on the FE you do get a little bit of red hints on the camera rings. I actually like that. It's very nice. From the side, and we'll compare the display. Have a look. Cool, man. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, S20 FE. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, durability tests, camera tests, etc. versus iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, OnePlus, the S20, Note 20, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.